Mickey Blake's was conceptualized by myself, two of my partners. Basically was what we wanted for ourselves. We just wanted to create it for everyone. We want people to come in and enjoy and relax and pretty much just wash away the stresses by sitting down and enjoying a good cigar and a nice round of golf or just a little bit of baseball game on TV. Our memberships are available to anyone. We offer some wonderful packages that have inclusive golf. We offer some humidified lockers to our members so that they can store their cigars on premises. We offer an incredibly appointed humidor. Our selection varies everywhere from A to Z, and we carry cigars in everybody's price range. So if you haven't heard about us yet, I can assure you, you will.